Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have YouTube stars and GEN3 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily call Google Assistant. For Google Assistant we have to hold the Bluetooth button which is over here. It sometimes doesn't work, but as you can see here we are paired with our headphones. So let's try it again. As you can see, it took us some time, but it works. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.